What's up everyone, it's Jason here with Red Bee Labs and welcome to another video. If you're new to the channel, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos I release. Now today, I'm going to show you the installation and give you a review on the Nestxyalesmartlock.
Next, make sure the door is closed. Then press the check to continue. Checking the lock.
Press and hold the button on your lock to connect them.
Ready. Use your Nest app to add the lock to your account.
Once the lock is connected to the app, you can put the battery cover on. Now you'll create a passcode with the app. This passcode will replace the master passcode you created on the lock.
Okay guys, now it's time for the review. First of all, let me just tell you, I love this lock. I had a smart lock before, which was a August lock, and that worked fine. But this lock is so much easier. When I come home, I don't have to worry about fiddling for my key, trying to open my phone, to touch the app to unlock the lock. I can just walk up to it, easily put my code in, and I'm good to go. I was like, my wife and my kids, they love it. They just love walking up and being able to put the code in and come in. Without having to mess with keys or anything, it just adds a whole nother level to just awesome. Now, as for the installation, you already saw that. That was super easy. I just removed the old lock, added the new lock, went to the app, it walks you through it. It's perfectly easy. Anybody can do it. If I can do it, believe me, you can do it. A shout out to my beautiful wife, Janessa, for helping me. She was behind the camera and handing me all the tools. So I had them right in front of me. After the installation, all I had to do was go into the app and I could invite anybody I wanted to come that I needed to get in my house. If I had a dog walker, if I had packages being delivered, if I had family that wanted to come over or a friend come in town, all I have to do is invite them, which just sends them a key code. They come in, they come to the house, all they have to do is punch that code in and they can come in. And they have a privacy setting too. So if at night or anytime I wanted to disable the keypad, I can. And then only people who are authorized will be able to go into the app and click the button to get into the house. Another feature of the lock is Home Away Assist, and that will give you a notification when you leave your house that you need to lock your door. It basically reminds you that you need to lock it. It uses your phone's location if you want to go that route. What I do is I automatically set it to when I come in the house or leave the house that the door automatically locks after 1 minute. The notifications I was talking about, they'll send you, as long as you give everyone their own invitation and they have their different passcodes to get in, it'll alert you to who is coming in and out of your home. So it gives you constant notifications. Some people don't like that and some people do. I prefer it because I like to know what's going on, but that's just me. The last one is one-touch locking. So as soon as you leave your house, all you have to do is turn back, look at the passcode, and right above it is a Yale logo. You press and hold that and it automatically locks for you. To wrap it all up, this lock is amazing. I would definitely recommend it to anyone out there who's in need. Is it a must or a necessity? I would say no, unless you have a whole lot of people that need access to your house, or you just want to, jump into the new age and, have a smart lock or make your house a smart home like we're doing. Okay, guys, now it's time for the question of the day. What smart lock do you have in your home? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Before I go, I'd really appreciate it if you'd click that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment or two. It really helps me and the channel out. As always, this is Jason, and I'll catch you in the next one. Go. Sorry. Go.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Go.
He wants it wrong.